Butter chicken perfection, a rich and savory delicacy. Butter chicken recipe. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 teaspoons garam masala. 1 teaspoon chili powder, adjust to your preferred level of spiciness. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, or crushed ginger and garlic. 3 tablespoons butter or ghee. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 1 can, 400 grams, crushed tomatoes or tomato puree. 1 cup heavy cream or full-fat coconut milk, for a dairy-free option. Half a cup water, adjust for desired consistency. 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro, coriander, leaves, chopped for garnish. Instructions. In a mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, lemon juice, garam masala, chili powder, turmeric, cumin, ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt. Mix well, then add the chicken pieces. Coat the chicken evenly with the marinade. Cover the bowl and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or preferably overnight, to enhance the flavors. In a large skillet or pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté until they become soft and translucent. Add the marinated chicken to the skillet and cook until the chicken is browned on all sides. Pour in the crushed tomatoes or tomato puree and stir well. Add water to adjust the consistency of the sauce. Reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let the chicken simmer in the sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Stir in the heavy cream or coconut milk and sugar. Simmer for an additional 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Taste the sauce and add salt if needed to suit your taste preferences. Turn off the heat and stir in the remaining tablespoon of butter or ghee to add richness to the sauce. Garnish with chopped cilantro leaves. Your delicious butter chicken is now ready to serve. Enjoy it with steamed rice, naan bread, or any flatbread of your choice. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.